So my guys, welcome back. If you are new to this our channel, we analyze our forex stocks market. So if you are interested in any of our analysis, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now we want to be doing a quick analysis on our other stock index or our stock market, our overall stock markets. By the way, so we'll be looking at our S&P 500, our Nasdaq 100, our Dow Jones and every of our stock. So first of one that the one that I have here is our Nasdaq 100. You can see now yesterday we actually had a bullish move, and right now currently our market is about is not really moving. I think it's about close or something like that. But let's see our Nasdaq 100 now. What do you think our price will be moving? I'm still anticipating for today it's still a bullish move. At least see our we should be able to see that bullish move to about 13,109. We have 13, we have 10 and 9. That is 13,109. That is exactly where I want to be seeing my continuous bullish move. That should be giving us about plus 2.62 points. That is about 2.62% or 334 points to grab. So let's take a buy straight upward from where we are, which is about 12,758 or 59, which is fluctuating. We should take our buy straight to 13,109 on our Nasdaq 100 because we are actually going bullish. There's every possibility we will be breaking above it, but for today only I am talking. So tomorrow we might try to see where our price will move. Better we beat will break above it or will go down. So for today our Nasdaq 100 we should be able to go grab up. We should be able to grab about 2% for today. See a bullish move for today on our Nasdaq 100 on our 4-hour time frame. See a bullish move, by the way. So we are actually having a pullback, by the way, on our 4-hour time frame. So definitely we will be seeing a breakout, by the way. See, we are also at a bullish move, right? We've actually gotten that pullback on an uptrend. So definitely after this pullback, I think the pullback is about to be over, by the way. So we'll actually be having a bullish move. But let me see here. I grab here my Fibonacci. I hit here, and possibly we should be aiming here as a pullback to our 23 and 23.6. If possibly our pullback is not over, then we should be seeing our pullback to this our 23.6, as it will correlate because this place has served as a key level before. This place has served as a previous key level before. So definitely it will hit this our 23.6. So definitely, if we don't see, if our pullback is not enough, then definitely our pullback to hit this our 23.6 on our Fibonacci before we actually now take a buy on our Nasdaq 100. So we are still on a pullback level, and if you want to take your buy, which is actually not bad, take your buy. Try to grab your profits here, and probably take your stop loss below this our area here. Below it, so at least it is not bad, and you can still drag your stop loss still further down or anyhow you want to trade it. So I will not be telling you how to trade, but at least where our price will be moving. Now we have our S&P 500. I still believe we are going bullish because I'm marking here as a key area here where our price will have to hit before we actually see a fall. So I'm still seeing here as a little bit of pullback, then actually go then we are waiting for a push up, a push up. But this when we get here, then definitely we can actually now see a drop. If not, we actually want to be seen in a pullback on our 4-hour time frame. On our daily time frame, we actually still want to be going bullish, by the way, because it's not a time to actually start selling. Right now we are on a pullback on our 4-hour level, but on our daily level we are still going bullish. So let us still take our bullish move. I would advise probably take your buy position straight to about 42.62. 42.62, our advice. That should be giving us, I think, how many points? That should be at least 3 and 42. 42.62, that is about 2.33 points. which is actually not a percentage, sorry, 2.33 percentage. That is about 90 something, maybe 90 something points to grab, but which is actually is not bad. If you can grab about 2.33 percentage of movements for today, so go bullish for today before you actually see a drop. Now on our 1 hour time frame, we are still on a retracement. Probably when we start seeing multiple break of structure upward on our 30 minutes time frame, then I think it will be a good opportunity to take your buy position. Or when our price breaks above this our, let me say, 24207, when our price breaks above it, then it will actually be a good time to take your trade. So let's go to our next one, which we have is our, let me see, Dow, I think, our Dow Jones. Our Dow Jones is still showing us something like our stock market. By the way, I think our Dow Jones will still actually be going bullish, because I think our stock market is, I don't think it's about to be falling, by the way. But if in case it falls down, if in case it falls, then we should actually be eating here to about 3 to 4. That's exactly what I think Dow Jones might actually be falling. But it is still bullish. We can actually see a breakout to this this level that I've just marked, which is about 332 that I've marked. I can see a breakout above it, and possibly let me say mark here, probably here, going bullish. We should be able to at least hit 340. Currently we are at 332. So my prediction on what I'll say is take your buy position, because S&P will be going up, Nasdaq will be going up, and most likely most of our stock will be going up. So definitely our Dow Jones, we should actually be seeing a breakout. I don't think we'll be seeing a fall. We should be seeing a breakout, push up, hit our 340. We should be aiming 340, 339, 340, 339 to actually take our probably before we can actually start looking for a sell on our Dow Jones. On our 4 hour time frame, still we are still on a bullish move. Our price is actually still going bullish on our Dow Jones. By the way, we want to hit our 340 on our Dow Jones. So now next one we have is our IWM, which is our Russell 2000 ETF. Still bullish, by the way. Our Russell 2000 is still actually bullish. For the past days we want to go bullish, and it is above our moving average. This red here indicates 10 moving average, and this my green here indicates my 20 period moving average, and it is actually above. When it is above, we would want to be taking our buy position. Let's see if our price hits here. Our price has reacted here. We saw our price reacted here. Definitely let's take our buy position to at least our price reacted, which is about 193. We are currently at 187. Let's try and take a buy position straight up, say about 193. That should be about 2.71%. At least most of our stock market should be, for today, should be gaining about 2%. That is about profit of five, is it $5 or anyhow. If you buy it now, you should be making profit of $5 for today on each shares, or any how you want to call it, each shares you buy or quantities you buy. You should be making about $5 on it on our Russell, on our IVM. And let's see our 1 hour time frame, see going bullish, by the way. See going bullish. We should still be see our area here, which is about 193 to actually grab our take profits. So if you want to wait for a pullback to hit our moving average again, whereby our price move hit our 10 period moving average before you actually take your buy position, it is fine by me, no problem. You can, it's still okay. You take your buy position when it hits our 10 moving average, and if not, if you can't wait, then take your buy position, which is actually still not buy. Above all, we are aiming for about 193. And our next one we have is our, let me see, QQQ, our QQQ Trust series on our Invest School QQQ Trust, still going bullish, but we should be very, very careful, as we might see a drop. We can see that our price reacted here, and our price price is right here, and we've gotten to this our QQQ level, which is about 310. So personally, I think I will be staying away from such a trade. By the way, I'll be staying away from such a trade because our price can actually fall. You can see our previous pattern. If you see price serves here as a support, serves here as a support, giving us a pullback level when our price was falling, a pullback level. So we can this place can this previous support can also serve as a resistance whereby our price will be falling down. Be very, very careful, by the way, whereby our price will be dropping. I previously thought our price will be dropping around this area here, but it breaks out. We can consider that as a probably first breakout or anything. But be very, very careful if you want to take your trade here, because sooner or later this our QQQ can drop and it can take you out. But if in case it breaks above here, above, then probably we should be seeing drop around this area here. But before you take your buy position, I will advise you actually wait for our price to hit our 314. If our price can hit our 314, 315, let's say 315 is actually a good place, because currently we are at 310. If it gets to our 315, then you can actually take your buy position straight to our 327 or 329 for our QQQ. That is on our 1 hour time frame to actually take buy or sell position. Say let's see our 4 hour time frame. We can see our 4 hour time frame. It is actually showing us an indication that our price wants to fall. We should be very, very careful, as our price has reacted to this area here. There's every possibility to fall, and if it breaks above it, then we should actually wait till it breaks above our 315. Then we can actually not take our buy position. If it breaks above our maybe 315, 316, then take your buy position straight to our 329 or 330. Exactly what I'm planning to check. And lastly, our ARKK, how do I call it? ARKK, by the way. So we are still going bullish. I'm still going bullish. I would want to be seeing we are currently at 45. Let's see if we will be able to hit 48 today for when our markets will close. Let's see if we'll be able to hit 48 or 47. No, I'm going 48, by the way. So about that is, we should be able to grab about $3 on each shares or quantities we are going to be buying for today. I'm still aiming bullish. I'm going bullish on our ARK innovation. So I'm still going bullish on our 4 hour time frame, on our daily time frame. As you can see, our price is still giving us an indication that price is about to push up. It's still giving us an indication that our price is still about to push up. So I don't think there will be a drop. Let's see if we can push up about 2% before you actually see a drop. Probably we might be getting a drop tomorrow or next tomorrow, but today let's go bullish. And let's see lastly, for 1 hour time frame, how we can see it. As our 1 hour time frame, it is above our 10 period moving average, which is actually still above it, is still actually going bullish. That is why I said let's still go bullish, hit our 47 or our 48 before you opt out. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe before you go. Thank you.